Thank you for coming to Caption. Today I'll be showing you how to stretch your twist and do a twist out. I used the Sky Organics organic castor oil to coat my hair, and now I'm putting my hair up in one using the Goody hair ties. I stretch my hair upwards and I take the scrunchie and place it as low as it can get, and I gradually go up, doubling the scrunchie on itself. I continue this process until I reach the ends of my hair. I put a little bit more of oil on the ends of my hair just to ensure that they were also covered. I then put my satin bonnet on and leave it overnight. I'm just going to put some oil on my hand so I don't touch my hair without using oil. And I'm just going to take out the scrunchies. So here's how my hair looks after it's been stretched. Looks pretty. Once again, I'm using the organic castor oil by Sky Organics to coat my hair before I unravel. I start by untwisting in the opposite direction in which I twisted it, and then I separate it at the ends. I then repeat this process throughout my whole head. Once again, I untwist it in the opposite direction of which I twisted it. I unravel it at the ends, and then I'm done. I don't unravel my roots because I braided them, and I don't want my hair to look messy. If I unloose the braids, my twist out will lose its definition. I finished untwisting, and now I'm using the Edgewax to lay my edges. Because my edges are apparently messy at this time, I am applying the edge control and twisting my roots into the edge control to create a sleeker look. I pick my hair out at the roots just to create a little bit of volume. You can also give your hair a little shake to create some volume as well. Thank you for coming to Caption. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.